This is Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire, and this 1999 45-foot narrowboat. It's a semi-trad. The boat looks like it was a home fit out back in 1999. Southport Marine hull. She was the present owners had her for 10 years, and she was surveyed, good survey on the hull when she was bought. Fire looks in decent condition. The owner was living on her. He's been all over the country with the boat in the last 10 years. Done a lot of travelling, but he's now moved back ashore. This drops down into you could call it a single or a very small double, I suppose. Obviously, duck hatch. Got 12 volt sockets and switches. There's no full inverter on the boat, but this is a little 12 volt inverter that is quite a handy little thing. 12 volt fridge, obviously full size cooker, microwave. There's the hatch I was talking about. The owner keeps that on just for condensation, really. We do get some pretty driving rain here in Glasson. There's an extra heater there as well. And go into the bathroom. Originally she used to have a pump out a long time ago. It looks like that's been removed. Obviously at the moment it's just got a porta potty. Obviously shower with basin. The basin just wants that new pipe fitting, just linking so it drains down into the shower. So easily you could put a cassette toilet in here, or maybe a compost in, just a little storage cupboard. Back out into a double cabin. The owner bought these, they're second hand, last year. Has never actually fitted them, but I believe he says that they're all tested and working. There's the unit for them as well. And there. Bit of storage under the bed, obviously storage cupboard there. And then over to the stern of the boat, and in here we've got electric switch panel, battery charger that you can hear going, and it's a 12 volt.